Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free new Relic Foundation certification 2025. This is a limited period offer and get certified by New Relic. So New Relic is the cloud-based observability platform that helps developers, DevOps and IT teams monitor, debug and optimize application performance, infrastructure and digital experiences in real time. So there is a registration link. We'll go through the registration link, step by step process. So open this link in your browser. So this is the New Relic University, New Relic Verified Foundation, NVF, and the New Relic Verified Foundation exam, and all the details are there. So overview, topics, audience, and these are the topics. And you have to complete the exam guide and certification learning path for that. Then only help you to you prepare for the certification exam. So you can go through that. And main thing is there: exam detail, exam level foundation, exam duration 45 minutes, exam format multiple choice, cost is free, test location online, unproctored exam. So this is not monitored by this exam. So language English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Japanese. So we'll go through the English and just click on the register for exam. So welcome to the New Relic Observability exam certification exam. So exam overview. Prepare for the exam. Click here. Sign up. You can click here to create account. And additional questions is there. FAQs is there. Or you can click here to create a new account. Username. Let's I'm going to register myself, and legal name, email address, address. I'm giving the address, city, state. Let me select the country first. Then I'll go for the state 834004. Okay, I've given all the details. Let me click on the save. Thank you for creating a new candidate account. You will receive an email for the confirming your account. I'll open my Gmail. So you got the mail from there. And to reset your password future, and once you set the password, following link. So forgot password. So now click on the login. So welcome your name, a new Relic Observability certification program. Welcome to the new Relic certification program. So, so now next thing is this: register for exam. So see here, these are the schedule for the this step for the schedule for the exam. Term and condition. Then you have to agree to the term and condition. FAQs, review your account, and click for the register for the exam. Additionally, information document must be current. Explain identification will not be expected. So these are the ident ID you need to provide. Select the exam of choice. Then go to the exam catalog. So all the exams you can able to see there is some price is there. Only one exam, New Relic Verified Foundation, the not proctorate, and this is free. Okay. So and other languages are there. If you want to go for the other language, then other languages you can go for this. So we will go for this one English. So just click on get now. Here you can able to see this is the shopping cart, New Relic Verified Foundation, NVF, not proctorate, and duration 45 minutes, and location is online, USD 0, and total summary is there. Submit the order. So thank you. So email is sent to confirm the purchase and providing the details of this. So this is the purchase confirmation. You got the mail. So here you 0 USD, and when you order this one and all the details you will get that. Now go to the exam. So here you have to secure your browser for this. So you have to install the secure browser. It means that when you while the exam you won't able to open the other tabs and other just like Google you want to open and any other things you have open in the other tabs, it won't allow you to do that. So schedule exam, this exam date, registration, exam details, other details will be there, and you can cancel the registration or you can launch the exam. If you click on the launch exam, so this will be allow ask you the other things. So leave it for now. So do up to this, then you can go for the lunch exam, you can give the exam. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free New Relic Foundation Certification 2025 limited time offer and get certified by the New Relic. And this there is a registration link. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.